everyone, QUEERVEE here, back on YouTube, ready to do some art snacks. Just gonna preface this video by saying I wanted to try to do drag makeup, but the glue stick that I have is like, it's not Elmer's, and like it wasn't working, so I couldn't glue down my eyebrows. I tried so hard, but like the glue was all like crumbly and like it just wasn't working, and so I gave up, and I tried to just like put foundation on anyways, but like it clearly just wasn't covering the eyebrows, so I gave up, and I was like, I'll just do like eyeshadow and lips. I kind of made my lips a little big, but that's okay, and I tried to do a little contouring, but yeah, I wish that I could have done the eyebrows, because it would have made the like eyeshadow like be able to be more dramatic, and I could have added a little more if I could have just arched the brows a little differently. But I'm definitely gonna get some Elmer's glue stick so I can do this properly, because it was a lot of fun to try, and I know it's definitely not perfect, but it's literally my first time like trying drag makeup, which I didn't even fully do because I didn't do the eyebrows, but that's okay, I'll figure it out later. This is also like one of the only like long wigs I have. The other one I have is blue, and it just didn't like, I don't know, it just didn't work. So, and I want to do like red and yellow makeup. So anyways, that was just me rambling, because you're like, why do I look like this? Probably because I don't normally look like this. But I've been watching a lot of RuPaul Drag Race, and yeah, I just wanted to try out drag, but I'm not quite there yet, but I'll get there. All right. The Artsnacks. I don't subscribe to Artsnacks anymore. However, usually their anniversary boxes are pretty good, so I subscribe specifically for March only. So let's see what the March box has in store. Here we go. Haven't opened Artsnacks in probably a year. Probably last March I got it. Woo! All right. Oh, this looks cute. Ooh. Blue Ocean, the planet, bioplastic. I'm not used to this new, I have a new like arm, and it's kind of like wobbly, so I hope that doesn't like hurt anybody's eyes. This looks like a pencil sharpener. Oh, it's fancy. What is that, like a really, really tiny? It's like a really thin, or are we getting really tiny pencils? Huh. I like this though. It's cute. It's purple, and it's like, the camera is closer than normal than what I'm used to. Ooh, Smarties. Smarties is my favorite, one of my favorite candies, if you guys remember. Here's the menu, which we will look at in a hot second. Ah, my face is kind of sensitive to makeup. I'm very itchy, and like my nose has been running. I've been like trying not to wipe off the makeup because I did some nose contouring. It's a little difficult to tell, but yeah. All right, I probably wiped it off already with tissues. All right, what's in here? Stupid tissue paper. Let's make it better. Wow, wow, wow. I like to do it one at a time. So let's see if I can do that. Oh, it's on my table. They're just going to pull them out. Okay, so this is like a pencil with an eraser thing. It's called Black Wing. The thing is like right in my way. You should really like, there we go. All right, so I got a pencil sort of like this in Palettefull Packs the other month, so I'm not crazy about graphite pencils, so that's not great, but we'll see. Ooh, Chameleon. I think that's like some blendy markers, so I guess they make colored pencils now. Wedgwood blue and powder blue. I love powder blue. These look pretty, pretty, pretty. Okay, what's this? Ooh, this is pretty. Look how pretty it is. Kuretake. It's got cute little hearts and sparkles on it. Oh, it's a very, very, very tiny brush. Like, very fine. It's cool. Let's see what the sticker is. I can't really tell what, I guess they're just like, I don't know, but I like it. It's kind of weird, but I like it. It's blue. All right, and what's this? Plumchester paint marker. Oh, this is a gorgeous color, teal. I got the best color. All right, paint marker. So these colors look really good together, but I kind of wish that they gave something else. They usually do more for their anniversary, so I'm kind of disappointed, but that's okay. This pencil sharpener is really cool. I know it sounds weird to like a pencil sharpener, but I freaking love pencil sharpeners. I have this one that's like really good, and I thought I lost it the other day, and my mom helped me look for it for like 20 minutes. But we finally found it. But oh my god, I thought I like threw it away on accident because I kind of keep it close to where the trash can is, and I was panicking because it's my favorite. It's like a $4 pencil sharpener, and yeah. So okay, well, let's read about this stuff, even though it's not as much as they normally do for their anniversary. Let's see what's on the menu. Okay, Plumchester paint marker, which is an $8.99 retail. This is an Artsnacks exclusive. Surprise, you're getting a brand new color of the Plumchester paint marker in your box this month. Now available in a variety of blue and green shades. This marker is filled with water-based acrylic paint that's fast-drying, opaque, and permanent. By reversing the tip, you'll find two different nibs. Ooh, 3mm bullet on one end and 5mm chisel on the other. To use, shake well, remove cap, and press nib down on your surface several times. Yeah, we know. Wait, where's the other one? With a reversible nib. I'm so confused. How do you... What? Do I have to, like, take it out? It says, I'm so confused. How do you open this end? I'm so confused. It says it's a reversible nib. Do you, like, take it out? I really don't understand. I guess you like pull it out and then reverse it? I don't understand. You literally can't open this side. I'm so confused. I'm sorry. I'm gonna stop spending time on this now. Because you guys are probably like, what? Chameleon Color Tones Colored Pencil, $2 retail, new to Artsnacks, new product. You'll flip over the Chameleon Color Tones Colored Pencil. This highly pigmented, ultra-smooth pencil features a different color on each end. The two hues are expertly paired together so you can achieve perfect color harmony. Just flip to blend. Yep. Coom Cube Pencil Sharpener. Oh, that's the brand of my wooden pencil sharpener that I really like, so I know this is going to be good. Cube 3. Oh, it's like cube, but like with a 3 as the E. Pencil sharpener. $4.95 retail. Staff favorite. 3 different sharpeners, 1 convenient cube. The Coom Cube can handle pencils, thick crayons, and even thin pencil leads. Modern and minimalistic, this tool is made from durable, eco-friendly bioplastic, part of Coom's Blue Ocean series. And then Kuretake Zig Eyeliner Brush Pen. New product. Inspired by portable cosmetics, the Kuretake Zig Eyeliner Brush Pen has an ultra-fine brush tip that's used in actual eyeliner pens. Cool. This cute, compact tool features waterproof, nice, pigment-based ink that will not bleed when used with alcohol or water-based marker. Ooh, that's good. Alcohol or water-based. That's good. Please note, this is not an eyeliner pen and should only be used on paper, not skin. I wasn't going to use it on my eyes, but thanks for letting me know, Artsnacks. That's hilarious that they have to put that in, because I'm sure somebody would do it. Oh, my lipstick's a little smudged there. Oops. Oh, well. Okay, our birthday present to you is this pencil. This is the anniversary gift. Yeah. Okay. Artsnacks turns 8 years old this month. It's been a super exciting year, and we're celebrating with a birthday gift to you, a custom Artsnacks Blackwing pencil. Thanks to all of our loyal customers for 8 wonderful years. We couldn't do it without you. 8 years and you give us a pencil? Oh, man. There's been way better stuff in past anniversary boxes. Oh, well. It is what it is. That's what happens. Maybe I won't do their anniversary boxes anymore either. But I do like this pencil. I'm definitely going to like using it. I'm not going to open the paint marker right now because I'm not going to use it. Ooh, that is really pretty though. And it feels really smooth to use. That's pretty. The powder blue is really light though. Like really light. Like you can't even really see it. It's not even showing up on my camera. it's on the paper. You can't see it though. It's there. Oh gosh. Okay, let's try this too. My hand is very shaky. Ooh. Make some nice eyes. Alright, now I'm just making it look terrible. You can't even see it. Alright, well this is a fun little pen. So, and it's super cute. Like, I am all about aesthetics. I'm going to be real. And this, it's even like making cute little shines on my camera. Oh, it's so cute. It's so cute. I love it. Okay. And this will probably be pretty when I actually want to use it. But I don't like to, like, start paint markers until I'm ready to use them. Just because. But, oh my god, Smarties. I should buy some Smarties because I really want them. These are going to be gone today. Alright, so that was the Artsnacks box for March. I don't know when I'm going to upload this. The box didn't get to me until like a few days ago, but I didn't feel like unboxing it yet because I wanted to do it on camera and I wanted to put on makeup, but I was feeling not good the last few days, so I just didn't do that. But yeah, so here's the Artsnacks box. I'm going to do palette packs next, so look out for that. I don't know when I'm going to upload these. I might, like, do a vlog first. I might do it after, because I know I've been gone forever, and I meant to do a vlog before returning to, like, tell you guys what's up, and, like, I got a bunny, but she's doing her own thing right now, so I'm not going to grab her. She's eating hay. She's really cute. Her name's Sabina. Sabina the bun, and I love her so much. And yeah, so you guys will see her at some point, but she's very elusive bunny, so... yeah, but anyways, I'm gonna go, and thank you guys for watching my video. It's a little long, but that's because I'm just excited to be back, and I had a lot to talk about. So let's move on to palette packs. Bye, you guys.